We are here today to give you your space.
The Positive School Center is a program out of the University of Maryland, Baltimore School of Social Work. And our goal is really about providing equity in spaces. And this is why we are connected to the Educator Support Collaborative. Many times educators don't feel appreciated and they don't feel like their voices are heard. So the collaborative is community school lead agencies in partnership with philanthropists and designers and contractors coming together to look at school spaces to see how we can remodel the space. We focus on staff lounges because when you have spaces provided for adults to feel better, then that's going to translate into the wellness of their students. I'm an educator at heart, former principal with Baltimore City Schools, so I understand what it takes to show up every day and to really put in the hard, laborious work for students. And this, again, is an opportunity to show the community connectedness that we have and that we play a part in throughout the city.